Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add link to your TikTok bio. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can add link to our TikTok bio. I'm going to go to my profile, and then we're going to click on edit profile. Okay, and here you'll be able to add link to your TikTok bio. You just need to click on add a bio right here, and then you can add link to this bio. For example, I'm just going to add link from the Google Maps. I'm going to pick random link from here. Wait guys, I'm going to add the Google Maps link. I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to go back to my TikTok to paste the link. Okay. Alright guys, and now the Google Maps links has been added to this bio, and then I'm going to click on save. Alright, and you will be able to add links, your social media links to this menu. You can click on links, and here you'll be able to add your Lemonade, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. And I'm going to add my YouTube link. I'm going to click on add on the YouTube option. And then we need to connect our YouTube account with our TikTok account. And for instance, I'm going to choose this account. Okay, and then the link will be automatically added to the TikTok. I'm going to click on continue. All right, and just hold on. Okay, and now as you can see guys that my YouTube link has been added to the TikTok bio, and you will be able to add your other social media accounts such as Instagram, Twitter, or Lemonade. If you want to add your Instagram link, you just need to click on add right here, and you need to enter your username and also your password. Okay, and then same with the Twitter, you can add your username and also the password. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my profile and check it. Okay guys, and as you can see that the links has been added to my profile, and we'll be able to click the link. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add link to our TikTok bio. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.